Alright guys, when I tried to create a Clickbank account, I was faced with this problem. When I clicked on sign up, if I select my country, it didn't load any of the options here. Now I'm going to show you how I fixed this, and also this works if you're getting a red error message. Alright, so what I did was create a new Google profile. So I clicked on my profile picture right here in the right corner, and then I clicked on add. From here, you just want to select continue without an account. Then you want to select whichever or however you want your profile to look. And then you click on done. Okay, so that could fix it. But if it still does not work and it does not load the countries for you, this is the other thing which you can try. So I'm going to use this account as an example. Okay, so again, it's one of my Google accounts. So I want you to install ZenMate. ZenMate is a free VPN. Basically, that changes your location. So if I'm from Europe, I can go to a different part of Europe, Germany, for example. Okay, so add to Chrome is what we need to do. ZenMate, this link is going to be in the description as well as in the comments. If you get an error, don't worry about it. That's fine. You want to click on the puzzle piece after it has been added to Chrome. Then after you've clicked on the puzzle piece, you want to left click on this extension, free VPN ZenMate. You don't have to go through this tutorial. I'm going to guide you. Just click close. And here it is automatically going to load the best location for you. In order to activate this VPN, all you have to do is click on this shield. Okay, so now if I reload my Clickbank page, as you can see, country, it shows. It loads all of the countries. Hope this was helpful. If you have any other issues with Clickbank, let me know. I'll try to help you. And leave a like, show this video some love. I'll see you next time. Bye.